Hey guys, I'm Darren, and welcome to Extreme Makeover, Heart and Home. This episode features the build of a vertical wall garden. It's a practical use of a space and really accessible for Ashraf, the chef of the Barobi family. The Barobis, Anifa, Hakeem, Azita, Habiba, and Zalufa now have immediate access to a user-friendly garden. Since we couldn't grow a garden outward, the only way to go was up. We are in the 11th hour of this garden, and this is so important for Ashraf. You know, he loves to garden. This is going to be really special for him. I decided to add this ground garden at the last minute, but I think it was the right decision because I think this is going to be really special for him. He loves to cook for his family, so this is going to be great. We've got rosemary, mint, basil. We've got the vertical earth boxes, which are great for so many reasons. You know, anytime you have a garden, it naturally filters the air, so it's eco-friendly, it's great for the environment, and you know that we have these boxes lifted off the ground. It's clear of varmints, because you never know when a Jesse Tyler Ferguson will come back here and steal your carrots. We made pretty quick work of this garden. With the help of Jesse Tyler Ferguson and several of the volunteers, we were able to get this wall garden built in no time. Ashraf loves to garden because it was something that him and his father used to do together. It brings him joy because the food that he grows will feed his family. From garden to table, this will be a special feature that will allow the family to garden and cook together. The structure features 15 planter boxes. The wire mesh allows for perfectly aerated soil. And Ashraf, I thought of you especially.
Yes.
You have your own garden. I know
Wow.
it's really special for you.
I know.
To garden. This is your happy place.
Oh,
Thank you.
So you can grow tomatoes and peppers.
Wow. Thank you, guys.
The focal point for this backyard retreat is the amazing vertical wall garden. Its build simplicity is matched by its design practicality.